everyone, welcome back to the Auto Mags Pro. Today 2025 Cadillac Motorhome, the ultimate blend of luxury, performance, and adventure. If you've ever dreamed of combining the opulence of Cadillac with the freedom of the open road, this is the vehicle that brings that dream to life. Today, we're diving deep into its features, design, performance, and why this motorhome stands out in a crowded market. First, let's talk design. The 2025 Cadillac Motorhome is a stunning piece of craftsmanship. Built on a custom chassis, it takes the iconic Cadillac aesthetic, sharp angles, bold grille, and sleek chrome detailing, and stretches it to impressive proportions. It's not just a motorhome, it's a rolling statement of style. The exterior is a smooth blend of high-strength aluminum and premium composite materials that provide durability while maintaining that signature Cadillac elegance. Inside, it's like stepping into a luxury suite on wheels. The 2025 Cadillac Motorhome features handcrafted leather seats, fine wood accents, and a spacious layout that makes even the longest road trips feel like a stay at a five-star resort. Whether you're kicking back in the lounge area, cooking in the fully equipped kitchen, or enjoying a peaceful night's sleep in the king-size bed, every inch of this motorhome is designed for comfort and sophistication. Let's not forget about the kitchen. The Cadillac Motorhome comes with top-of-the-line appliances, a stainless steel refrigerator, a convection microwave, and a multi-burner induction stove. The countertops are solid marble, and the cabinetry features soft close mechanisms, details that show Cadillac's commitment to quality in every space. Now, let's talk about technology. The 2025 Cadillac Motorhome is packed with cutting-edge features. The cockpit is equipped with a fully digital dashboard, a 12-inch touchscreen display, and advanced navigation systems. Plus, Cadillac's suite of driver assistance technologies like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision warning will make your journey smoother and safer than ever. Performance is where this motorhome truly excels. Under the hood, the 2025 Cadillac Motorhome is powered by a hybrid V8 engine, offering a blend of power and efficiency. With over 500 horsepower, this motorhome has no trouble accelerating on highways, while the hybrid system helps reduce fuel consumption. Plus, the air suspension system guarantees a smooth ride, whether you're cruising down a straight road or navigating winding mountain paths. Let's not forget about storage. With a generously sized cargo bay, you have plenty of space for all your gear, whether it's bikes, kayaks, or just a bunch of luggage. The smart layout also includes hidden compartments for valuables, so everything stays organized and secure. To sum it up, the 2025 Cadillac Motorhome isn't just a place to stay, it's a destination in itself. It combines luxury, technology, and performance in a way that only Cadillac can. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country adventure or a weekend getaway, this motorhome ensures you'll travel in unparalleled comfort and style. It's a perfect blend of Cadillac's legacy of excellence and the freedom of the open road. So, if you're looking for a vehicle that turns every trip into an unforgettable experience, the 2025 Cadillac Motorhome could be your perfect companion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and the latest automotive news.